Hi students, MCQ number 20. In an adiabatic expansion, a gas does 25 joule of work, while in an adiabatic compression, 100 joule of work is done on the gas. The change in internal energy in the two processes respectively are, okay? We have to find out the change in the internal energy. Now first of all, when a gas is doing external work or when the work is done by the gas, it is positive. Understand that? So in the first step, let us take work is done by the gas. So this is equal to what? Positive. So plus 25 joule. In the second step, 100 joule of work is done on the gas. So work done on the gas means what? W2 must be equal to negative. So minus 100 joule. But the question is not the work done, no. The change in the internal energy in the two processes we have to find out. Okay. So from the first law of thermodynamics, so what is the expression, mathematical expression for the first law of thermodynamics? That is, quantity of heat supplied is equal to change in internal energy plus work done. Is it not that? So Q1 is equal to delta U1 plus W1. Similarly, in the second step, Q2 must be equal to what? Delta U2, change in the internal energy plus work done. This is the expression. But what type of process? Both the processes are adiabatic process, is it not that? So Q1 and Q2 both must be equal to 0. Because the process is adiabatic process. No heat can either enter or leave the system. Okay. So the first equation, okay, the first equation I rewrite. So 0 is equal to, so 0 is equal to delta U1 plus W1 plus 25. Okay. Therefore, delta U1 is equal to minus 25 joule. The change in internal energy in the first process is minus 25. Similarly, equation 2 now. In equation 2, when I substitute, I get 0, left side is 0, is equal to delta U2. Okay. Plus W2. W2 is minus 100. So here minus 100. Therefore, what is change in internal energy? Delta U2 must be equal to plus 100. Okay. So this is the second factor. So change in internal energy respectively are minus 25 and plus 100. So minus 25 and plus 100 joule means therefore option B must be the correct answer. Okay. Some students in a hurry, they will write plus 25 and minus 100. That is not correct because that is only the work done, okay, by the gas. Actually, the question is the change in the internal energy. Okay. So I hope you must have understood well. Fine.